Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change oil Chevy Cruze updated. Start by warming the engine for a few minutes, then secure the car with jack stands, find the drain plug, and loosen it carefully to drain oil into a pan. Replace the oil filter, reinstall the drain plug with a new gasket, add recommended oil amount, check for leaks, and reset the oil life or maintenance light. Gather basic tools before you begin so the job stays smooth and safe. You will need a socket set, oil filter wrench, drain pan, funnel, new filter, and the correct oil type and capacity. Wear gloves and eye protection, block wheels, and use jack stands on level ground. Keep rags handy for spills and dispose of used oil responsibly at an approved recycling location. Take your time and double-check torque specs to avoid over-tightening. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation. The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is great for keeping your garage and workspace clean with voice control and smart mapping. It saves time and reduces dust around the car. Check the description for the link and other deals. Grab one if it helps your routine, and now let's get back to the video. After draining, remove the old oil filter and lightly oil the new filter gasket before installation. Screw the new filter by hand until snug, then follow torque or quarter-turn guidance from the manual. Reinstall the drain plug with the correct gasket and torque, then add the exact oil quantity through the filler cap. Run the engine briefly, check for leaks, and verify the oil level with the dipstick after the engine cools slightly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.